Hey everyone, this is Ben with Hefty Fabworks coming at you at another product review and explanation. Today we're going to go over switch options. So for my personal truck, I'm running the Switch Pro. It is the SP9100 series. It comes with 8 switches. Some other cool features too. You have a couple trigger wires that when you hook the trigger wires up to, like, I have mine hooked up to my headlights and ignition, and I can program different accessories to come on with those trigger sources. So I actually have my fog lights hooked up to my headlights, so whenever I turn my headlights on, it'll activate the fog lights. This system is really cool. It's solid state, so you don't have to worry about any relays, any fuses. If it trips, you just have to turn off the system, turn it back on, and it'll reset. So kind of cool stuff. Hooks just right up to your battery, and either ground on your frame or right to your battery. So it's very safe. It eliminates a lot of hassle of either building your own relay system or trying to figure out a bunch of different harnesses and like all that stuff. So it really cleans up your engine bay. If you want to take a look here, kind of a cool system. It does come with pre-wired circuits. So all you have to do is just run your ground and your positive to whatever accessory you're doing. I have an air compressor and some lights. You just have to run into this and then just run into your ground. And then as far as your switch goes, it actually comes with a prefabricated lead. So this is going to be your switch unit. Some other cool features that come with the Switch Pro is you can either have a strobe feature for your lights, or like I mentioned earlier, via the trigger switches, you can actually have them come on automatically. Like I have my compressor that comes on automatically when I turn on my car, or my fog lights when I turn on my headlights. Some cool features. They do have a low amp protective circuit, so once your battery drops below a certain voltage, it will actually turn off your machine. So it's not a parasitic drain and leave you stranded. So kind of a cool feature. It does have a overcurrent and undercurrent protective circuits in there as well. So yeah, overall it's a solid option. There are other options out there as far as switch programs go. This is our preferred one just for simplicity of use and just reliability.